Hi friends, you are back with me, Professor Girish Kukreja. So we are back in the laboratory. So this is my laboratory actually. So whenever we are doing any practicals in the laboratory, like we are very excited to learn new things and explore the microbial world. But then many of the times we have to prepare different solutions, and we are like a bit confused now what we'll do and how we'll prepare these solutions. We generally rely on some ready-made solution. If someone could really give me a ready-made solution, I think like whenever we enter a particular laboratory, the one thing which makes me very happy is that the reagent is prepared by the yesterday's batch and you can use it as it is. So that really makes us very happy. But that's this happiness we don't get every day. Anyways, so many of the times, rather most of the times, we need to prepare the various solutions in the laboratory. So let us try to see like how to prepare these. Like talking about this simple solution which we are supposed to prepare today is to prepare glucose, no, it's not glucose, it is sucrose. Yes, to prepare a sucrose solution, right, with a concentration of 10 millimoles per liter, and I need to prepare half a liter of that, that is around 500 ml. So how many grams of sucrose I'll weigh? Oh shit. No, means like we can. So talking about sucrose, like whenever talking about molarity, normality and all those things, we know that we are going to need the molecular weight. So as far as the sucrose is concerned, now we all are aware of the sucrose molecular weight. Glucose plus fructose is sucrose, if I am not wrong. Yes, so your sucrose, right, glucose plus fructose, 180 plus 180, 360. One water molecule goes out, like when one glucose and fructose they combine, there is dehydration synthesis. So we have 360 minus 18, 342. Okay, so molecular weight of sucrose now I am aware of. So molecular weight of sucrose I know that is around 342. Right. So talking about this, now I want to prepare work in millimoles here, right? So working in millimoles, like let us keep things in milligram first. So preparing a 10 millimole. So yes, so you want a 10 millimolar solution, right? So you want a 10 millimole. So molecular weight multiplied by 10, right? So this would be around 342 into 10, I suppose. Yes. So it is 342 multiplied by 10, and then I don't want to prepare 1 liter, right? So this is in 1 liter. I want to prepare 500 ml. So this would be 342 into 10 divided by 2. Yes, these many milligrams per 500 ml, right? This much I'll have to do. So it is like 2 ones are 2 5s. I want me to do this. So it is 342 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 21, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. It is 1710 milligrams. I'm not going to weigh in milligrams. Most of the balances which are there in the laboratory, they weigh it in grams. So let me like conclude it in grams. So it is 1.710 grams. So I'll weigh out around 1.710 grams of my sucrose, and then dissolve it in water and take the volume to 500 ml to get a solution of 10 millimoles per liter of sucrose. Simple. So weigh out 1.710, yes, and dilute it to around 500 ml, and you will get a solution of 10 millimoles per liter. It was not that difficult. Yes. Like here we have a protein which is having like around 125 amino acids. I don't know which protein it is. Anyways, an imaginary protein, right? Sometimes I feel that we are really living in an imaginary world. We need to find out what is truth and what is imaginary. Anyways, philosophy aside. So talking about protein, right? This particular protein is having around 125 amino acids, and I want to find out the approximate molecular weight. Oh, only this much information. Oh, I think we can do it. So because we know that the average molecular weight of a typical amino acid, right? The average molecular weight of typical amino acids, we all know, is around 110. Yes. So a typical average molecular weight of around 110. So now it's simple, a simple calculation. So multiplied by this will give around 13750. Yes. So this particular protein will have a weight of around 13750 Daltons. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me, Professor Girish Kukreja, for more such stuff. Thanks a lot.